Today I'm going to show you how to change your PDF background color to white for printing using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is especially useful when you're working with documents that have colored or dark backgrounds, helping you save ink and create cleaner printed copies. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, log in using your credentials to access all the features. After signing in, navigate to the Recent Files section where you'll find a list of PDFs you've worked with recently. From this list, select the file you want to modify for printing with a white background. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. Here, you'll find the Edit button. Click on it to access the editing tools that will allow you to make changes to your document's appearance. This is where you'll begin the process of removing that unwanted background color. Now look over to the left panel of your screen. You'll see various editing options displayed. Click on More to expand additional tools and features. From the expanded menu that appears, select Background. This option specifically controls the background settings of your PDF. Once you click on it, you'll see the option to remove. Go ahead and click Remove to strip away the existing background color from your document. A confirmation dialog box will pop up on your screen, asking you to confirm this action. This is Adobe's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove something you wanted to keep. Simply click Yes to proceed with removing the background. Your document should now display with a clean white background, ready for printing. Next, navigate to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Print button. Click on it to open the Print dialog box. This is where you'll configure your print settings to ensure everything comes out exactly as you want it. In the Print dialog, locate the Printer section. You'll see a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this drop-down and choose Adobe PDF from the list of available printers. This setting ensures your document maintains its quality during the printing process. Now navigate to the Pages to Print section within the same dialog box. Here you can select your preferred printing options. You might choose All to print the entire document, Current to print just the page you're viewing, or Selected pages if you only need specific portions of your document printed. Finally, when you're satisfied with all your settings, click the Print button to complete the process. Your PDF with its new white background will be processed and ready for printing. And that's it. You've successfully changed your PDF background to white and prepared it for printing using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.